Is your software pathing failed due to the Dolby HPH module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Get the professional Dolby HPH module fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This DLL file is the Dolby Headphone Library. It provides advanced signal processing to create a surround sound experience through standard headphones used by media players and games for immersive audio. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. It's important to note that the Dolby HPH module DLL is installed as part of Dolby Audio Software and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Dolby Audio Software from the official source will restore the correct version of the Dolby HPH module to your PC. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Dolby HPH module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Remember that the Dolby HPH module DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to the Dolby HPH module and system efficiency. Thank you for trusting us with the Dolby HPH module repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.